السلام عليكم أحباب، كي راكم؟ غاية لاباس؟ إن شاء الله تكونوا بخير. أشياء غريبة تحصل في المغرب، واحد شي صوالح يصيروا في المغرب من طرائف الدنيا. الصهيونية وكأنها في بلادها زعما، وهي في المغرب. بغات تصور واحدين محجبات مغربيات. شغل عندها الحق باش تصورهم، كلي عندها الحق باش تصورهم. والمشكل من بعد كي تعداو على ما بغاوش وبغاو يتعداو عليها. راحت حطت شكوى للشرطة تاع المخزن. شو ما نقول لكم، هذه هي المروك. التبادله هذه ما يهضروش عليها المغاربه والذباب لا، قاعدين يعسوا الجزائر. الجزائر شاف دير هذا ما كان. خليكم مع الفيديو.
Because this woman, she attacked me when I passed there. She attacked me now. She don't want to show her face, but actually I have a video of her. Hey, don't touch me. Hey, why you touch me? Why you touch me like that? Why you touch me like that? You know what she did to me? You know what she did to me? I didn't do nothing. I know. What the fuck? Why is she talking to me like that? Please don't touch me. Don't touch me.
We can call the police if you want, but there's no problem.
So call the police.
Just 1 minute.
Call the police. No, she will not talk to me like that.
Just come.
Now I need to come. What I did to her? What I did to her? Please. Kaaba. Also this guy attacked me and she attacked me. واحد ثاني. Let's go to police. Just for a minute. Yes, let's go. Please. I like you. I don't hate you. I'm a Yahud Moroccan. Why you talk to me like that?
I don't know you.
So why you did this?
No, I didn't. I don't do it for you. I don't do it.
You tell me go back to your country.
No, I don't do it for you.
You tell me go.
Please, you can film me.
Okay, don't. Sure. أنا Yahud Moroccan. This is my country also, like you. We are the same. You understand that? You understand that?
Yeah, and understand that. But I don't want myself be in public in YouTube.
So think twice. Think.
شوفوا كيفاش غادي يعملوها الشرطة تاع المخزن. شوفوا.
Very good taste for my compliment for your taste.
شكرا. All the police is here. I think I don't have battery. Okay. I go after him. Why?
They will arrest her and take her to the police station.
I don't want to do a problem.
No, they will arrest her.